Magandang araw mga kababayan. Welcome to another episode of Pinoy Riskman. This is where we make risk management practical, relatable, and 100% makabayan. Ako po si Jong, ang inyong Pinoy Riskman, your friend in the field of security, management, and preparedness. Ngayong episode, pag-uusapan natin ang isang mahalagang topic, Barangay to Boardroom, applying operational risk management to local governance. Yes, you heard it right. Risk management isn't just for big companies or corporate boardrooms. It's just as important in our barangays. What is operational risk management or ORM? ORM means identifying, assessing, mitigating, and monitoring risk. Sa madaling salita, ORM helps us avoid negative surprises. Whether in a business globally or a barangay office, risk exists. Natural disasters, health emergencies, budget issues, public safety concerns, no? Even damage to our reputation. Kapag walang risk management, we always react after the fact. Pero kung may ORM mindset, we are proactive, strategic, and prepared. Now, how do we translate ORM to the barangay setting? Let's break it down. Paano nga ba nag-a-apply ang ORM sa local governance? Number 1 is through risk identification. Barangay officials must ask, ano nga ba ang panganib na maaring makaapekto sa lugar namin? Baha ba? Sunog? Unemployment? Alamin ang sagot sa tanong na anong worst case scenario ang kailangang paghandaan. Number 2, risk assessment. Not all risks are equal. Alin ang mas madalas mangyari? Alin ang mas may malaking epekto? Use simple risk heat maps, or consult the community to know the priorities. Number 3, risk mitigation. Planuhin ang aksyon. Early warning systems, barangay patrol schedules, training for the unemployed youth, transparency sa paggamit ng pondo, those are all important. Number 4, monitoring and review. Regular council meetings, reports from tanods, and feedback from residents. That's risk monitoring in action. Now, boardroom lessons for barangays, minsan iniisip natin, barangay lang kami, hindi kami korporasyon. Pero maraming best practices from the corporate world ang pwede nating gamitin. First, policy-based decision-making. Barangays should create and follow clear policies on emergency response, procurement, and community discipline. Second, stakeholder engagement. Isama ang youth leaders, senior citizens, women's groups, and PWDs sa desisyon. Third is reporting and data. Track the incidents, numbers help identify trends. Tandaan, ang hindi nasusukat, hindi naaayos. Next is scenario planning. Kahit simpleng tabletop exercises lang, Paano kung may lindol o sunog? Sino ang gagalaw? Ano ang first step? Here are some practical tips for barangay leaders. Number 1, magkaroon ng risk register. Kahit notebook lang, list all possible risks at ang plano sa bawat isa. Next is train your people. First aid, fire drills, even basic communication skills, malaking tulong yan. Third, document everything para may reference at basis sa data ang susunod na leader. In short, may continuity of work. Next is create a culture of preparedness. Gawing bahagi ng kultura ng barangay ang pagiging handa. Mga charisman, leadership is not about position. It's about preparation and protection. Whether you're in a high-rise boardroom or in a barangay hall, ORM principles help build safer, smarter, and stronger communities. So next time you hear risk management, don't think na pang-korporasyon lang yan. Para rin yan sa atin, sa barangay, sa ating pamilya, at sa ating bayan. Hanggang sa muli, ako si Pinoy Riskman, nagpapaalala. Kapag handa ka, ligtas ka. At kapag ligtas ka, mas malaya kang umasenso. Maraming salamat. This is your Pinoy Riskman reminding you that leadership is not about avoiding risks, but knowing which ones are worth taking. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe to Pinoy Riskman. Let's build a risk-resilient Philippines, one businesses at a time. Stay safe, stay smart, and stay risk-aware. Kita-kits sa susunod na episode. Have a blessed day ahead.